In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to multiply your pay and earn more. Whether you're a small YouTuber like me, I'm a small YouTuber, but my pay is quite higher than what some other people receive as income. So I'm going to be sharing every tip I have learned. I hope this video will help someone out there. If you're new, hello, my name is Caroline. I'm glad to have you here. Hit the subscribe button and join the family. The first tip I'll be talking about is using the thank you feature to put on your video on your channel, so people who watch your videos will, if they love the video so much, they can click the thank you, they can donate to you. You can also announce your community to your subscribers by saying, I've enabled the thank you feature, now donations can be made to my channel to support us, like that. So the thank you feature is the newest and it's one way to get high income. Another feature you can enable is this feature that now allows you to promote your products in your channel. People can directly pay to you through YouTube. If you want to know more about that, stick around. I'll touch more on that in another video. Next point is using end screens. A lot of us do not know how to use the end screen. I know most of us shoot related videos. Take for example, you're shooting a video of how to create thumbnails. The next video that you shoot is mistakes of thumbnails. Now we are uploading how to create thumbnails. In the end screen, put only one video. Many people go ahead as far as putting 4 videos. They don't want to put the one that will get people to view. When people say a lot of things, they will definitely just click away. But when you put one, I suppose 4, people will draw into the one video and watch it very well. Type in studio.youtube.com, and then when it opens, you click on your content and you click on the particular video you want to edit and scroll down to end screen, and then you click end screen. End screen should be by the right because there will be 2 layers by the time you open the content. So by the right down, you click on end screen, and when you click on end screen, you just choose the video you want to. You add elements: 1 video, 1 subscribe. That's what I recommend. When you get people to binge watch your channel even for a very long time, a lot of hours, when they finish one video, they're going to another and another and another. Don't skip any part of this video because I'm going to be talking about CPM. The CPM is very important. That is where the whole secret lies. There's a way to do it. But before then, let's touch other points. Using ad breaks. A lot of you have probably had this before. Ad breaks, use ad breaks, use ad breaks. Right? When you make a video, make your videos up to 8 minutes long. Not 8 minutes long of being boring, but 8 minutes long of people watching from start to the end. So YouTube can promote it. But when you put a boring video that is long, people will not even watch. So if you are a channel that is already large, that has a lot of people that watch your channel, like 200,000 views on each video within a short period of time, you can put as many ad breaks as you want. Where you are a small channel, do not push people away by putting too many ad breaks, except that topic you're talking about is very, very crucial and they'll benefit from it. So you can put ad breaks as much as you want. Some people put as much as 4 ad breaks. In fact, there's a time I put up to 6 ad breaks on a particular video because that video was going viral and people were watching for a very long percentage. So I put several ad breaks and people watched and it earned me a lot of money. So what you just do, go to your YouTube studio again. When you click on edit the video, you scroll down and then you go to monetization of the video. Then you click add mid rolls. So when you click on add mid rolls, you now start adding ad breaks. You see the plus sign in color blue. Add break. Add as many. You give space in ad break. Give another space, ad break, give another space, ad break. But if you don't want to do that, you can also put plays automatically. YouTube can post it as many times as people are watching your video. They will study analytics and put it where people will actually watch it and still remain in your channel. So anyone is fine, but make sure you go to put ad breaks. So ad breaks can make your money triple or fourfold, if there's a word like that. Another thing a lot of people who just got monetized new do not know is that you're supposed to tick all ads. Each time you post a video, check it. All ads are skippable ads, non-skippable ads. Everything should be ticked so that way you can make more money on your videos. Another way to increase your earnings is to upload more videos as often as possible. I've seen some people that upload as much as 4 videos per day. I have done it before and it really helped me. I had to slow down when I was telling on other things I was attending to. So you can upload as much video as you can, but be very sure that what you're giving is value and you are detailing it from start to scratch. Because more good videos means more views, and more views means more money your YouTube pay. Before I go to the final one, Let's talk about the use of high CPM keywords. I posted a video that had 5,000 views and it earned me only, while I posted another video of similar topic, but the keyword, I did a keyword research on that, and that earned me. Your keyword can be everything. Your keyword can mar you, break you, pieces you, or whatever. I like to use Google AdWords for doing keyword research so I can get high paying CPM, so I can put it in my video titles. Now here is how to do it. You go on your browser and type Google Keyword Planner, and then you check it. The one that has Google Keyword Planner, you click on it, and when you click on it, you open it, and then you click on discover keywords. So the topic you shot your video about, you just put that topic in the keyword and you will check for the suggested ideas. Now this Google Keyword Planner, when you click on discover keyword, you put the topic you want to put, you select your country you want to put it, the country you want to be the target audience, or if it is something beneficial to people worldwide, you leave it general and cancel the country, because most likely your country will show there, so you cancel it to be general. But if you want it to be particular about your country, like for example, if you're saying egusi for Nigeria, how to cook egusi, that is Nigeria related, so you leave it at Nigeria. But when you're saying how to improve your YouTube pay, that is beneficial to people worldwide, so I'll most likely cancel Nigeria out of the location and leave it to general. So then you click on show results. It will show you the results and it will show you keyword ideas. Now here's the trick about it. When the result is shown, you look at the part that says bidding. The bidding, you check for the low bidding. By the time you check for the low bidding, among the subtopics, by the time you check for the low bidding, you click on it, it will automatically reshuffle it in descending order, making the highest CPM of the low bidding to be high. I hope I'm not confusing. What this means is the least advertisers will pay for this particular keyword. And if the least they will pay is high, you put it in your title, definitely advertisers will pay more for your videos. Don't focus on the high bidding, because some high bidding has a lot of large numbers they will say, but their low bidding can be at 0 point something CPM. And by now you put 0 point something CPM, if you have 1,000, that 0 point something CPM means how much per 1,000 views on your video, the advertisers will pay only 0 point something CPM. So you want to avoid that. This short reshuffling exercise in descending order is very important in getting the highest CPM to put in your keyword, so that you can actually make real money in your channel. And one thing about CPM, your Google Analytics, CPM is very important, RPM is very important. CPM is how much advertisers pay per 1,000 views for that your video, and RPM is how much YouTube pays you per 1,000 views for that your video. So if your CPM is very high, definitely YouTube will pay you higher, because YouTube has the percentage they cut from your money. So if you are earning low, they will still cut. It doesn't stop them from cutting what they want to cut from your money. So rather, you have to always use your CPM to do this research. And finally, before I give the last step to increase your pay on YouTube, let us join the family. If you haven't joined this family, hit the subscribe button now in the next 5 seconds, so we can all keep pushing and encourage me to give helpful videos. If you have found what I've said so far to be helpful, join the family. If you haven't joined the family, hit the subscribe button and the like button in the next 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? Yeah! Welcome to my family. I love you so much, and I promise to always give you value. Now finally, to the last step. Take your YouTube as a business and keep it neat. Keep your business attractive and neat. Avoid words that will make YouTube to demonetize your videos. When use words that are not acceptable and are not good enough on the YouTube platform, YouTube will demonetize your video. It will tell you the video is not suitable for monetization. Then avoid copyright. Keep your channel very neat. Avoid copyright, using other people's music, using other people's video. Be very careful when using it. You can use, but there is a way to do it. You take permission, and if it's not permission, use Creative Commons. You can use your filter when you search for that kind of video on YouTube. You just use your filter to search for it. Guys, I need to cut this video now, but don't forget to give a like. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Did you learn something new? Just let me know. I'm impacting someone positively. So guys, I'll see you. Bye.